BYD just told a room full of investors it has developed a battery that can be charged and discharged 10,000 times and still function. Not 2,000, not 3,000, but 10,000 cycles. That is the kind of figure that is normally considered unrealistic for an electric vehicle battery. And the striking part is that there is not a trace of lithium in it. If you have ever worried about your EV battery degrading, the cost of replacement, or where battery materials actually come from, this development is worth paying attention to because it challenges the usual assumptions. The idea is not just about performance, but about what it could mean for electric car pricing and the global battery supply chain. To understand why this matters, it helps to know the company behind it. BYD did not begin as an automaker. It was founded in 1995 inches Shenzhen as a rechargeable battery manufacturer, producing small batteries for devices like phones and camcorders. Vehicles came much later. That background shapes how the company operates. Instead of being a car company that sources batteries externally, BYD approaches vehicle manufacturing from a battery-first perspective. This is also how it developed its Blade battery and became one of the world's largest power battery producers, second only to CL in global rankings. Because of this foundation, BYD has been investing in sodium-ion technology rather than focusing only on lithium. Sodium-ion batteries are not new. CL introduced its own version in 2021. However, early versions struggled with durability and performance under heat, which kept them from widespread adoption. They were often seen as a cheaper alternative to lithium, useful only when prices spiked. BYD claims it has now addressed the main issues that limited sodium batteries in the past, including internal material degradation and high-temperature instability, using a more stable polyanion-based structure and a battery-first design approach. This is why the company's new performance claims are drawing attention. The technology has existed in theory, but practical limitations have held it back. At the same time, lithium-based batteries still have well-known limitations. In cold conditions, their performance drops significantly. In temperatures near -20 degrees Celsius, an EV battery can lose 30–40% of its range. Most lithium iron phosphate batteries, commonly used in affordable EVs, are also rated for roughly 2,000 to 3,000 charge cycles, meaning long-term degradation is a real cost factor for owners. There are also broader supply chain concerns. Lithium is relatively scarce, and its extraction and refining are concentrated in a small number of countries. When you include materials like cobalt, nickel, and copper, the battery supply chain becomes expensive, environmentally heavy, and geopolitically concentrated. This raises the simple question: how clean is an electric vehicle if its most expensive component is difficult to replace, sensitive to temperature, and dependent on a tightly controlled global supply chain? BYD's sodium-ion battery proposal directly targets these issues. According to their report, their third-generation sodium-ion cells, made using sodium from common salt, have demonstrated up to 10,000 charge cycles in development. In comparison, typical EV lithium batteries reach around 2,000 to 3,000 cycles. That means sodium-based cells could potentially last several times longer, possibly even outlasting the vehicle itself. These batteries are also said to perform better in extreme cold, operating in temperatures as low as -40 degrees Celsius, where lithium systems often struggle and must use their own energy just to maintain operating temperature. This could remove the familiar winter range loss that EV drivers experience. Another major difference is material composition. Sodium-ion batteries do not rely on lithium, cobalt, or nickel. Sodium is extremely abundant, found in seawater and widely available in the Earth's crust, making it far less constrained than lithium-based materials. However, there is an important limitation. Sodium-ion batteries currently have lower energy density than lithium-ion batteries, meaning they store less energy for the same weight. This is why they are not expected to immediately replace lithium batteries in long-range electric cars. Even so, their advantages make them highly suitable for other applications. These include large-scale energy storage systems for solar and wind power, backup power for data centers, and low-cost electric vehicles such as scooters, delivery fleets, and urban transport in densely populated regions. Companies like CL are also developing sodium-based technologies, and global production capacity is already expanding. As more manufacturers enter this space, the cost of energy storage is expected to decline significantly, which could improve the viability of renewable energy systems. Ultimately, this development is not just about one company or one breakthrough battery. It represents a potential shift in how energy storage is designed, sourced, and scaled. BYD argues that the technology is now approaching readiness for broader deployment, with adoption speed being the main remaining variable. While it will not replace lithium-ion batteries overnight or instantly transform the EV industry, it introduces a credible alternative pathway, one built on low cost, abundant materials, and potentially far longer lifespans. If it scales successfully, it could influence everything from electric vehicles to renewable energy infrastructure in a significant way. These batteries are also designed to perform in much harsher climates. Sodium-ion chemistry is reported to remain stable in extremely low temperatures, potentially operating down to around -40 degrees Celsius. At these conditions, lithium-ion batteries typically struggle because their internal chemical reactions slow down significantly, reducing both power output and efficiency. In many cases, lithium-based systems must even use part of their stored energy just to maintain an optimal operating temperature. This contributes to the familiar winter range drop that EV drivers experience in cold regions. Sodium-based systems, by contrast, are positioned as less sensitive to these temperature effects, which could help maintain more consistent performance across seasons. Another key advantage is the difference in raw material availability. Sodium does not depend on lithium, cobalt, or nickel, which are all critical and often geopolitically constrained materials in current battery supply chains. Instead, sodium is one of the most abundant elements on Earth, widely present in seawater and the Earth's crust. Because of this abundance, sodium-based batteries are less exposed to supply shortages, mining bottlenecks, and price volatility linked to limited resource concentration. This shift could potentially reduce long-term material costs and make large-scale battery production more predictable and scalable. However, there is still an important trade-off. Sodium-ion batteries currently have lower energy density compared to lithium-ion technology. This means they store less energy for the same physical weight or volume, which directly affects driving range in electric vehicles. As a result, sodium-ion batteries are not expected to replace lithium systems in long-range or high-performance EVs in the near term. Instead, their strengths make them better suited for applications where energy density is less critical, but cost, safety, and lifespan are more important. This includes large-scale grid energy storage systems used to balance solar and wind power, backup energy systems for data centers and critical infrastructure, and low-cost electric mobility solutions, such as scooters, delivery fleets, and compact city vehicles. At the same time, broader industry interest is growing, with multiple manufacturers exploring sodium-based chemistries and expanding pilot production lines. As production scales up and competition increases, the overall cost of energy storage could decline significantly, which would improve the economic viability of renewable energy systems and accelerate their deployment. Beyond just performance and materials, sodium-ion batteries also change how engineers think about long-term system design. Because they are potentially more stable over many charge cycles, they reduce the frequency of battery replacement, which is one of the biggest life cycle costs in electric vehicles